Latest on the public health emergency. 22 confirmed cases of measles in Clark County. One school district taking new action as doctors now start to sound off on this outbreak.
Let's go to our Cole Miller, who joins us live with this health alert. Cole?
Well, guys, tonight we've learned of that one new case. It was just this morning. That number sat at 21. We know that 18 of these stem from people who were not immunized. One physician telling me it's likely we'll see even more before things start to swing the other way.
Measles is definitely something that's becoming more and more relevant.
A public health emergency. Tonight, the number of confirmed measles cases in Clark County continues to climb.
It's definitely quite striking.
Dr. Jonathan Moe of Adventist Health says the highly contagious virus is also one of the most preventable. But over the last 5 years or so, he says we're seeing more of it. And whether it's people prolonging vaccination or doing away with it altogether, once an outbreak starts, it can be tough to shake.
Once it sets into a community, the likelihood of it getting more beyond that community or more widespread within that community is quite high, especially if vaccination rates are low.
Now, officials with Evergreen Public Schools are asking anyone who may have been exposed to one of those 22 confirmed cases to stay away from 4 of their campuses, including Evergreen High, Hearthwood, Image, and Orchards Elementary, unless they have proof of immunization. Dr. Moe says there are some conditions, be it with a person's immune system or an allergic reaction, that could force someone to forego a vaccination. His advice, though, if you can, get the shot. It won't help just you, but everyone else.
And I think that when people recognize that we're trying to prevent diseases early on, that the pendulum will shift in sort of the other direction.
We also know that a majority of those confirmed cases, 17, affect children ages 1 to 10. One person has even been hospitalized. For much more on this outbreak, be sure to head to our website, KOIN.com. Much more information for you over there. Back to you.